Wanna opt for healthy snacks? This recipe is for you. Hey everyone, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. As always, if you like to learn easy and delicious recipes, smash the like button and subscribe. Today we are gonna be trying a new healthy snack for kids, but don't worry, you're gonna love it too. Remember, ingredients will be added in the description. Please check. Let's get started. Take 3 or 4 spiny gourd. Remove the skin, wash properly, and cut into thin pieces. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili, ½ teaspoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon plain flour, and mix. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons olive oil to fry. Add the pieces and cook on a low-medium heat until both sides are well done and crispy. Garnish with parsley and enjoy.